In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your site header. The site header is one of the most important parts of your website because it appears at the top of your pages and helps visitors navigate your content quickly. It's also where people often expect to find things like navigation links, social icons, and shopping cart access. So making sure your header looks clean and functions the way you want can have a big impact on the overall user experience. To begin, open your page editor and click on Edit Site Header. This will take you into the header editing area where you can make changes that affect how the top section of your site appears. If your platform uses a live preview, take advantage of that as you work, so you can immediately see how each change affects the look of your header. Once you're in the header editor, click on Elements. This section allows you to control which items appear in the header. From here, you can toggle buttons on or off, show or hide social links, and enable or disable the cart icon if your site includes e-commerce features. This is useful if you want a simpler header with fewer distractions, or if you want to highlight specific features that matter most to your visitors. As you make these adjustments, think about what your audience needs to access quickly and what can be minimized for a cleaner design. After that, click on Edit Design. This is where you can adjust the visual style of the header itself. You can change the layout to better match the structure of your website, and you can update the background color or transparency to create the right look and feel. For example, a solid background may improve readability, while a more transparent style can feel modern and minimal depending on your branding. You can also adjust the padding, which controls the spacing inside the header. Small changes to padding can make the header feel more balanced and polished, so it's worth taking a moment to fine-tune that spacing. As you work through these design settings, try to keep consistency in mind. Your header should feel like a natural extension of the rest of your website, both visually and functionally. Clean spacing, clear icons, and a layout that supports easy navigation will usually give the best results. When you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top left corner. This ensures all of your updates are applied and preserved. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the header one more time to make sure everything looks the way you intended. And that's how to edit your site header.